Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to add or remove watermark on photos on your Samsung Galaxy A55. Let's get started. So as a first step, let's open camera and take a look on this photo that I have made. As you can see, we got this watermark of the phone model on the left corner. We can add some more details or remove it at all. Let's take a look on it. For that, go to the settings that are located on the left corner and then scroll down. Here you can see this tab which is named Watermark, and if you would like to remove all the watermarks, simply click on this slider until it will turn gray. But if we will enable it and click on the name of this tab, we can make some changes. So the first thing that we can customize here is the watermark of the model name. So as you can see, currently is this Galaxy A55 5G, but we can delete it and enter something that you would like to. So for example, I will type in some numbers and click save. And also here you can see the preview in which will be shown how the watermark will look on real photo. So you can see these numbers on the left corner, and the next thing that we got here is the date. We can enable it by clicking on this little circle here and also customize it by clicking on this arrow on the right edge. We can change the format of date. For example, let's leave it like this. And also here we got the last thing, that's time. If you would like to make the watermark on your photos more precise, you can enable it too. And here we also got an option to customize it by clicking on this arrow here. We can add AM or EM or leave it just by the numbers. And then here we got style, in which we can change the font. For example, let's switch it to the Roboto. And alignment. We can change the position of the watermark, for example, to the center or to the right side, and also make it on the upper part or on the bottom. And this is it. Now let's test it. I'll make just any random photo and take a look on it in my gallery. And as you can see, the watermark have appeared. And this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.